Wanna know how to write a Java code to make a basic calculator? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use and create a basic calculator. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, here we have a basic calculator in our code in Java. So we import scanner to take input, that is Java debitory scanner. Now we take two numbers a and b using input.nextInt. So once that is done, we print all the result of a plus b and a minus b. So we have just done addition and subtraction, which is a basic calculator right here. And that's it. Now you can just run the code and see the results, which should become a success. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.